It is the beginning of the latest chapter, a flight towards the new horizon. Consequences of the teamwork and collection of efforts rightly gets the name under DAV's fame. Greetings and a very warm welcome at our very first annual function, Goonj, the Echo of Success 2020. On this occasion, I would take this opportunity to welcome our worthy principal, Shri R.S. Rana, the brain behind the idea of this initiative of virtual online function. As it is said that creativity is one of the most beautiful and amazing thing. And why it is important? Because it keeps one energetic and young. And that's how we are giving this opportunity to our students. We have given this platform to shine here. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, please give a big hand to DAV Manali for bringing the first virtual online function, Goonj, the Echo of Success. We are indeed happy and excited to come up with this celebration for the classes 4th to 7th, which is actually the second phase of our annual function, Goonj, the Echo of Success. So starting with the program, I would first request our welcome team to present a bouquet of flowers to our respected principal, sir, for which I will request Ma'am Ayuna Rana and to Mr. Ravi Kumar Karba, please come forward and present a beautiful bouquet to our respected principal, sir, Shri R.S. Rana. After this, I will request Ma'am Neena Thakur to come on the stage to pin up the badge to our respected principal, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Deep Jyoti Param Jyoti, Deep Jyoti Janardana, Deepo Hartu Me Papam, Deep Jyoti Namastute. So with this beautiful shloka, I'll request to our respected principal, sir, to move towards the lamp lighting area with the dignitaries. So ladies and gentlemen, let's fold our hands before the Almighty in the form of light. Following the ritual of the program, now this is the time for DAV tradition. And for this, now I'll request everyone, please rise and join us for DAV Gaan.
Jai
After DAV Gan, now I'll seek our principal's permission to start the program. Thank you, sir. Reflection of achievements is shown in success and the blessings. So for this purpose only, now let me invite our respected ARO, Shri K.S. Guleria ji, for his blessings.
My warm greetings to principal, staff, students, and all the stakeholders of DAV Public School, Manali. I extend the loads of appreciations to the principal, staff, and the students who have thought out of box in celebrating the Grandparents' Day virtually. As there can be no present without the past, similarly, the young cannot have their being without the elderly. I wish and pray for the good health of all the grandparents who are the family's great treasure. DAV Manali has been progressing in leaps and bounds under the dynamic leadership of the principal, Mr. R.S. Rana. I immensely congratulate the team under him and the students, the editorial board who are bringing out the online publication in this challenging situation. I am sure the echo of the success of Team DAV Manali will not only reach the nook and corner of the country, but will have no bars as the boundaries. Thank you. Be safe. Jai Hind.
To commence the program, let's call on our female staff with a melodious welcome song.
Sa
Shri R.S. Rana as our principal, the man of action, who not only dreams but fulfills those. And the kudos from each nook and corner is the result of his vision only. We wait to listen to the great people, and the same we have done. So now this is the time to listen to our respected principal, sir. So let me take this opportunity to invite him on the dais for the annual report reading. And for this, I would request Mr. Jitendra Rana to escort the principal, sir, towards the dais area.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Good morning, all of you, dear parents. I extend my heartfelt greetings to you all. I am sure you will appreciate our efforts for organizing this program virtually during this crucial time of pandemic COVID-19. Before I present annual report for session 2021, I would like to pay my gratitude to Revered Shri H.S. Thakurji, Chairman and Founder of the school. At the same time, I acknowledge my sincere respects towards Shri Ravindra Talwarji, Secretary DAB-CMC and Vice Chairman of the school, who has always been a source of constant support and patronage to us. I shall be failing in my duty in case if I do not extend my sense of gratitude towards Shri K.S. Paleria, Honorable Assistant Regional Officer, and Shri Mohichuk, Manager of the school, for their time-to-time support and guidance in all our endeavors for the growth of the school. I feel proud and elated in presenting to you the annual day report for the session 2021. This year's session began with uncertainty of COVID-19, which made a huge impact on various aspects of human life around the world. When everyone was after how to survive in that horrible stage, some ingenious visionaries were finding tirelessly new ways to come out of it. Later, it brought everyone to a platform to ponder over unanimously how to come out of its grip, and consequently, technology in the field of IT came up with a tremendously wonderful means to keep connectivity and to make the whole system of the world run in full swing. The online method of teaching, what seemed to be most difficult in the month of April, now has become a cup of tea for everyone, especially for teachers and students to move forward, to create and achieve more, to make this year a very fruitful even during this COVID-19. For our students, we left no stone unturned to begin online teaching. At the outset, we trained our faculty to handle online apps conveniently, to impart teaching effectively, to organize various online activities for our students. Due to dedicated and committed staff, the school has been conducting online teaching. All FAs, unit test, first terminal and second terminal examination successfully as per time-to-time guidelines from the state board results. As annual day is the day to make a proclamation of our achievements and laurels, so I feel immensely proud to announce that our student, Miss Leila, amazed everyone in District Kullu by clinching the 5th position in first top 10 merit list of HP board in class 10th for year 2019-20. Our all students of class 10th and 12th brought laurels to the school by their remarkable performance in board examinations. Infrastructure. We didn't get resisted in our endeavors to increase infrastructure of our school even during lockdown. Now our school has a big, classy infrastructure equipped with all splendid facilities. We even have incorporated lift facility to get access to all floors and rooms instantly. Co-curricular activities. A host of online co-curricular activities were organized on every special day to enable our children to face the challenges of competitive world. Social responsibility. Our school made certain social contribution by helping people in their surroundings during this crucial period of lockdown. laurels in the field of science, maths, and arts. Our students participated in all science, maths Olympiad, online, and even bagged good positions. I feel proud to announce that our student Miss Shreya Thakur from class plus 2 made us feel proud by leading DAV Manali into the quarter-final of Curiosity 2020, India's biggest inter-school quiz competition for higher secondary students, organized by Schulin University. Our students even didn't lag behind in the field of music and art. Kudos from every nook and corners came in our head to make this crucial period of COVID-19 highly fruitful for our children. Online workshops for teachers. Keeping the global exposure in mind, DAV CMC organized various virtual capacity building programs for our teachers in which they participated very nicely. NSS, NCC and Eco Club and Scout and Guide. We are proud to announce now DAV Manali has initiated NCC and NSS for its children, which is really going to facilitate all-round development of our children. Future plans. As per the motto of our school, that is, excellence is our attitude. We strive to switch this school very soon either to CBSE or ICSE as per never-ending demand of the parents of Manali. The whole growth of school has been possible with the cooperation of our highly qualified and dedicated faculty. Our thanks to the management for its 24/7 support and guidance. If I were to put all the events at DAV Manali in a nutshell, we encourage a child to observe, to explore, to experiment, to probe, to analyze, to confront problems and to find the solutions, and finally to develop the skills essential to face the future. I would like to conclude by extending our sincere thanks to all the parents, stakeholders, and well-wishers who have lent a supportive hand down the years in all our endeavors for shaping the future of children of this region. I hope you will enjoy this virtual annual function culture program presented by our students, and your journey with us is going to be memorable. Let me end with these lines. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, what I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Jai Hind, Jai DAV.
DAV Manali is known for bringing the new things, and this time too, I'm proud to say that we have come up with e-newsletter. So please give a big hand for our newsletter for the session 2021. And now this is the time for the inauguration of e-newsletter. Now I'll request our worthy principal sir, Shri R.S. Rana, to come forward and inaugurate the e-newsletter Goonj, the echo of success. It's not impossible to touch the sky if we have the exact leadership behind us. And for this only, now I'll request our worthy manager, Shri Mohit Chugh, for the greetings.
Vedic Abhivadan, Namaste Ji, to all the revered grandparents, members of the team DAV Manali, and dear students. A plethora of congratulations to you all for taking a wonderful initiative even in the COVID time to celebrate the Grandparents' Day on the digital platform. Special congratulations to visionary leader Mr. Randhir Rana ji for his initiative. Dear grandparents, we know the time is very tough, but we thank you all for your blessings and for investing the valuable and precious time with your grandchildren at home. We value it, sir and ma'am. Dear grandparents, being the second largest educational organization of India after government, we assure you that your grandchildren are in the safe hands in DAV, and we assure you, along with the academics, we are going to fill the sanskara to them always and always in future. I wish all the members of the team DAV Manali all the very best for their future ventures. And dear children, in the COVID time even keep remembering that कोई भी लक्ष्य मनुष्य के साहस से बड़ा नहीं होता, वही हारता है जो लड़ता नहीं है. So keep on struggling and doing your best. Thank you very much once again. All the best.